Starter. It's my collection of just things I've gotten off. Obviously, I pulled that cam chest off yesterday, but I just wanted to come over here and say these are Andrew's cams, and that's kind of exciting. Also, what is it like working in a garage when you have chickens? They're everywhere. Well, I just launched it over there. Shit, fall. Well, want to be part of the shovel head, apparently. All right. Bought that light that I use at the Goodwill for $1. I can already hear you. Oh, why don't you just go buy the proper snap ring pliers? Well, because it's deep in there and I fucking couldn't get in there with the snap ring pliers. So I have these things that are sort of like snap ring pliers, but not quite as good. And voila, you have a clutch and drive gear. We got stator. Also, as you might have guessed, I put all that on the floor over there. Yes, and before anybody even says it, I'm aware the lighting in my garage fucking sucks. Hey, that car's over there. All right. Stator. There's a little hole over here you probably can't see, but this grommet here fits into it, and you gotta pop it out. My time as a welder was not all for naught. I had this welding table that's been sitting outside in the side of the house for I don't know, a couple of years now. And I'm tired of being hunched over on the motor over there. So the motor is going on this table for final disassembly. Bam, look at that. Now I'm get this fucking thing out of here and clean up a little bit before I start taking the rest of this apart. I know it's a screwdriver, don't fucking at me.
Hello, Daddy.
The goal was not to explode the transmission everywhere, but well, shit happens, and guess what? It's out, and it's not the first transmission for a Sportster that I've had to put back together. So, oh well, I guess. Well, the time is nigh. Let's see if we can pull this bitch apart. I had to go get a 7/8. So, well, today made some decent progress on, oh, there it is, this. So all that's left to do is actually split the cases. I got all the bolts and everything out of it, and let's see if I can, there it is. There's all the internals. So, tomorrow, split cases, and then, wrong way, this way. Dig that motorcycle out and pull the top end off it. Stay tuned, I guess.